very spectacular, but we're gonna try it. Gonna see if we're gonna survive this after the cycling.
It's incredibly green and super peaceful.
It's almost like a fantasy world for me. It's what I would imagine reading a book's all about, and just driving these beautiful roads that are so small.
This is such a good place to revitalize.
I never have been that close of years, but they are leaving, they don't love me, but hopefully someday we'll come back. So riding through Kozjansko region was really incredible today, and I really recommend you to come to visit this place.